This is a private bamboo villa located right in the middle of the Balinese jungle.
It cost us $220 and we'll be staying here overnight and showing you everything this place has to offer. When you arrive, you're greeted by Katu, who'll help you carry your bags to your very own private villa.
Welcome to Kumbuh Jungle Villa.
This place looks incredible.
This villa is new to Airbnb and only has 8 reviews so far, all 5-star.
Bowen said, very nice location in the middle of nature. Hina said, the place is magical, but these people pet hens that keep making noise all night.
This place is huge. We worked out it's around this many square feet, roughly. And it comes with some really cool features. You'll see them soon. But first, Katu just returned with some welcome drinks. Everything here is perfect.
Unfortunately, it started raining. So we may as well start by giving you an inside tour.
Check out the downstairs area in this place.
This area is so cute. We've got some fans, or maybe for decoration, not sure. Cookies, fruit, water, a conveniently made coffee and coffee station, and a fridge loaded with alcohol, just in case you want to celebrate being in such a beautiful villa. You also get space to store all of your luggage. How's it going up there, Kyle?
The upstairs floor comes with a private bedroom and a pretty big bed. You also get a mosquito net, which is the thickest mosquito net I've ever seen. There's no walls in this place, so you're gonna need it.
They also provide this air cooler, but that's not all there is upstairs.
If we head down this little walkway, the upstairs has one of my favourite features. It comes with a net overlooking the jungle. Look at this view. Is this not insane? And you get these cushions as well. You can't get more relaxing than this.
You can spend a while relaxing on the net, or you can dive right into the next feature, which is something just as awesome. This thing just adds to the experience. It's something every villa needs.
Yup, this place has a tub, right outside the villa. They can even put flower petals in here. Now that's pretty special.
They've done a great job making it feel as luxurious as possible, while also keeping it simple.
Turns out there's a lot of caterpillars and bugs in there.
I guess luxury isn't always practical, but what is practical is the way this villa was built.
The craziest thing about this place is it's completely made out of bamboo.
There's a bamboo staircase.
A bamboo bed.
The roof is bamboo.
The whole place is being held up by bamboo.
You can relax right here on this bamboo sofa in the lounge.
Now everything about this place has been pretty cool so far, but we can't overlook this pool that literally protrudes from the villa.
And this pool is actually pretty big.
It all feels so private as well. You could literally go skinny dip in here. We're not going to do that.
The whole perimeter of this place is fenced off and kept super secluded. I guess it's also to keep any wild animals out. Maybe not.
This place actually accommodates up to 6 people.
And we've got to admit, there would definitely be enough space for 6 people here.
Hello.
Apparently they can set up extra beds down here if you need them. When you finish in the pool, you might want to wash off all the chlorine.
Check this out. You can have a shower right here, outside in nature. And don't worry, nobody can see it.
Because you are literally in the middle of the jungle.
And it's not just the shower that's outside. We've got this beautiful wash basin filled with petals. Even the toilet's outside. And check this out. It's basically a full outdoor bathroom.
If you think this place looks great during the day, check this out. Now that's pretty cool.
This place becomes lit up by so many lights. It looks insane. It completely changes the vibe and makes the villa feel like a whole new place. All this exploring kinda makes you hungry. We ordered dinner for 7 PM and it was now 6:58. I stayed on the lookout. Then these guys showed up at 6:59. I'm impressed. They serve the food to you like you're dining in a restaurant.
I got the nasi goreng.
And I've got the nasi campur. These are some delicious banana desserts.
This food was incredible. Hats off to the chef, which actually happens to be a Katoot. You're a man of many talents, Katoot. We went inside to finish our dessert because it started raining again. After we finished, we spent the rest of the evening enjoying some of the same features, only this time in this new dark theme. It's time to drop the net and prepare to sleep in the jungle.
This is really exciting, but I'm also a little apprehensive. I've never slept in a place with no walls before.
First, we need to brush our teeth and use the bathroom. Don't worry, it's completely covered. In fact, it actually looks pretty nice. They even provide you with a toothbrush and a comb.
We actually slept pretty well last night, considering there's no air conditioning. It really didn't get that hot. It's nice to jump in the pool first thing in the morning though. I think it's time for a morning coffee.
There's one thing about this place that makes this experience even better. Usually we'd be sat here eating breakfast.
But today, we'll be in the pool. Why? Because you get a floating breakfast. This breakfast is insane. They've brought so much food. Waffles, fruit, eggs, toast.
Pancakes.
It's so colourful.
They bring this breakfast at whatever time you ask for, and it looks so good.
Floating breakfasts have become very popular, but this is a new experience for us, and we recommend.
With a few hours until checkout, we spent the rest of the morning hanging out in the pool and relaxing on the net.
If you're interested in this experience, links are below.
And please subscribe and like this video. We'll be back soon with another experience.